Well, we're here today in Venlo to come together with quite some urban nodes from all places in Europe in order to discuss what are challenges in urban nodes and to actually see whether we can exchange with each other thoughts and to tackle these challenges.
I want to share good practices with other cities who are also working on the subject of urban freight.
I hope that we can work together with the other urban nodes who have the same challenges as we have. Vital Nodes is a very important project for the city of Venlo because we are one of the important rail links between Antwerp, Rotterdam and Germany.
The perfect result for today would be if we could really create a network with these urban nodes regarding infrastructure, mobility, regarding logistics, but also with a spatial planning background to really help each other to see whether we could improve the situation as it is in Europe today.
I did give a presentation about clean energy hubs. It's not only LNG or bio-LNG. That means that you have different fuels. You'll have to look in the future with hydrogen, electric-driven cars, bio-LNG, green gas. There is a lot possible, but not everything is possible at this moment.
For example, there's this project called the Electric Green Last Mile, EGLM, where we are trying to work together with different organizations in the implementation of full electric trucks. In Europe, this is the first project of its kind with this amount of full electric trucks in this weight class, and definitely with this huge range. So we're happy to share that information with everyone here.
I participate in the workshop of energy transition. I learned about a new node that is about clean energy. This was quite interesting. Also, we learned about a project in which they are using electric trucks.
We discussed about the quality of life. It came out that in different kind of cities are the same problems.
I think that today was a very interesting workshop, a very interesting day, taking the opportunity for us, for all of us, to create new ideas.
It's good to meet people from different cities, from Greece, from Bulgaria, from Estonia, to share their different views and experiences, and also to keep in touch with all these people after this meeting in Venlo.